Welcome back, children. So next topic is cell wall. Now cell wall is found only in plant cells. Cell wall is not found in animal cells. The cell wall is made up of cellulose, which is a very complex sugar. Now it is because of the cell wall that makes plant cell so strong and so tough and rigid. Now all of you know that plants do not have any skeleton. So how is it possible that so tall trees are found in nature? How can they stand erect on the ground against gravity, so tall and high? It is because of this cell wall which is present in plant cell. The cell wall is so tough, so hard, it provides enough mechanical support for which the trees can grow up to such great heights. Now this cell wall is not much affected by the external solution, whether it is hypotonic or hypertonic. Clear? So it protects the inner content of the plant cell and helps in developing mechanical strength. Right? So the structure of plant cell I'll be giving you later. I'll also give you the structure of animal cell. Next we come to the nucleus. Very interesting. Now whether it is plant cell or it is animal cell, you will find a dark colored body inside the cell. Now generally scientists, they have various techniques to see the inside of a cell. Especially with the help of electron microscope, they do it. But to make it more clear, they stain the cells by various solutions. It can be iodine solution, it can be saffronin, it can be methylene blue, anything. For which now these various parts inside a cell have the ability to absorb these colors. And when these dyes or colors are being absorbed, they become more prominent. And scientists can then study them in a better way. Now, when such type of technique was applied and the nucleus was discovered and was further studied, we came to this type of structure. The nucleus has a nuclear membrane. This nuclear membrane may have pores in it. These are the nuclear pores. Now inside the nucleus there is a rounded body which is called as the nucleolus. Right? A dark body inside the nucleus, this is called as the nucleolus. Right? And this type of thread is found all across the nucleus in this way. This is the chromatin threads, right? And the matrix inside, the ground substance inside, which is called as the nucleoplasm. So this is the structure of nucleus. Now, nucleus, you can say, is the brain of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell, right? It even controls whether the cell will have to divide or not. Understood? Now these chromatin threads, they give rise to chromosomes. And what are chromosomes? Now chromosomes contains units which are called as genes. So from this chromatin thread you will get chromosome. From within the chromosome you will get genes. Now these genes are the units of heredity. So genes help in transmission of hereditary character from the parents to the offspring. How you look like, whether the color of your hair is black or brown, whether you are very strongly built or you are very lean and thin, what will be your height, what will be the shape of your nose, what will be the shape of your ear, each and every aspect of your body. It comes from the genes. Clear? What will be your level of intelligence? That also is responsible for these genes. What will be your behavior? All these things. Whether you will be very rude, whether you will be very angry, whether you are kind or you are very, like, you can understand, cruel. These things also comes from these characters which is transmitted to the offspring from the parents or grandparents. So this is the main function of the nucleus. Each and every work of the cell is controlled by the nucleus. That is why the nucleus has been called as the brain of the cell. Now these chromosomes are made up of DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid. Clear, children? So generally, all the characteristics which are developed in an organism, it is because of the presence of genes which are present in chromosomes, and chromosomes are made up of DNA. Now, this is all about eukaryotic cells. Now, in cells like bacteria are prokaryotic cells. This type of nuclear material inside a nucleus is not found. In bacteria and other prokaryotes, a nuclear region is there. Clear? Not a specific nucleus, but a nuclear region in total is there, which is called as nucleoid. This is found in prokaryotes like bacteria. So this is one difference between eukaryotes and prokaryotes. So remember, in case of eukaryotes, a proper nucleus is there, but in case of prokaryotes, a nuclear region is there, which is called as nucleoid. Proper nucleus is not found in prokaryotes. Clear, children? So in our next class, we will deal with the next part, which is cytoplasm. Thank you.